Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the fingerprint lock on this device. Let's start by opening the settings on our phone. To do it, swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called security and tap on it. Here, tap on the fingerprint option. And if you don't have any different screen lock method set up yet, it will ask you to set up the backup method, and you have three options: fingerprint plus pattern, fingerprint plus pin, and fingerprint plus password. Select the one you like. I'm gonna select the pattern one. And now we need to set up the backup method for the lock screen. So I'm gonna set the pattern I like to use to unlock my phone. Then tap next, draw it again, tap confirm. And here we can select the settings for the notifications. You have options like show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. Select the option you like and tap done. Here tap on next, and now we can set up the fingerprint. We have this fingerprint sensor right here on the power button, and simply start tapping on the sensor like this to set up the fingerprint. Move your finger all around the sensor, like that. Keep tapping on it. Like this. And once you've done, you will see the screen. You can tap on done. And here we have our fingerprint. You can tap on it to change the name if you want to label them specifically. For example, let's call it like that, and tap on OK. And you can also add new fingerprints or remove the fingerprint if you want. But for now, let's leave it and check if the fingerprint is working. So I'm gonna lock the phone. When I wake up the screen, it should be locked. So let me lock the phone. As you can see, it's locked. We can unlock it by tapping on the fingerprint sensor like this. It's quite easy and fast, as you can see. And that's how you set up the fingerprint lock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.